Did you know that there's 5 Wednesdays in the month of March? It's a long one, guys, but on the last Wednesday of that month, we're going to be doing our leadership development night, and we're going to have guest speaker Pauline Young from Zion Community Church in Birmingham join us for that evening to talk to us all about leadership. And so why don't you join us, sign up online for the event and come along for the leadership development night.
The wonders of redemption story.
On Sunday the 27th of March it's going to be Mother's Day, so we'll be having a special service here, so this is your reminder to get your mum something. If you're anything like me, you'll need that reminder. But join us here for that service where we'll have some gifts and flowers going out to the mums of the church, and it's going to be a wonderful time celebrating mums all round.
Together through the blood of Christ our Savior.
Don't forget that this week is Next Level Bible Study, so you can join us here on Saturday from 10 till 12 for a 2-part seminar with refreshments in between, where we'll deepen your knowledge of the Bible. So make sure you come and join us for that, because it's going to be a good one.
Of all our trespasses, now you brought our hearts to life.
Oh, hey guys, if you're interested in being in the worship team, we are holding some auditions here at church where you can audition to be in our worship team. So this is whether you can sing or whether you play an instrument like me. Why not give it a go and come along on Sunday the 10th of April at 4 p.m. for our auditions. So make a note of that, get it in your diaries and join us for the worship team auditions. One of the members of Excel Church are starting up a brand new cycling hub. This is an initiative to get fit and healthy by cycling and building that community with one another. So they're going to be doing a brand new grand opening event, and it's happening on Wednesday the 30th of March at 1 p.m. So you can either join them for the cycle or you can join them for the event afterwards at Mount Shiloh Church near East Park. It's totally local, guys. So if you want to do that and you're into your cycling, then why not have a go just like this? No, I can't even reach, guys, but do let us know if you want to join, because we can give you the details. So speak to one of us and we'll point you in the right direction, or check our social media channels where we'll have the link on there where you can sign up for the event. So guys, don't forget, for those of you that are signed up, Accelerate is happening tomorrow, so make sure you turn up for it. And if you're not yet signed up but you were meant to be, then just speak to one of us and we'll get you signed up for that course, which is happening tomorrow. And that's all for Excel News, but remember this week is prayer and Bible study, so we'll see you Wednesday at 7:30 for that. Have a great week, guys.